Your Pet of the Week is brought to you by Big City Blues. With a large selection of designer denim, you'll find big city style in a small mountain town. Located at 224 South Main Street in Breckenridge.
Good morning and welcome back to Summit Sunrise. I am Justine and I'm joined by Mary and the sweet boy Corona, who is a Husky Malamute mix. He is 8 years old and he is just a sweet baby, and he would be the perfect companion for mountain living. He's what we call a designer mountain dog, folks, and these kind of dogs don't come around too often, and he's up here because Mary has some treats for him. Mary, tell me about our sweet baby Corona.
Oh, look at him. He's as big as I am.
He's a sweetheart, though.
But he's 8 years old. He was in a shelter in New Mexico. Actually, probably not in a kill shelter that he probably wasn't going to be around too long. So we rescued him and his sister, Teddy, who got adopted. Corona was on a couple weeks ago, but I took him. We were lucky enough to get Olga from the doghouse to groom him, and he's just beautiful. He looks like a different dog. He's quite happy, and he's quite fluffy, and he's quite shiny.
I love her.
And he's quite motivated by treats. Yeah, but he would make a really great family pet for somebody. He loves kids. He loves people. He loves people. He likes cats. He likes other dogs. He was great yesterday with the dogs that were at the doghouse when I took him in for grooming. So he would be a great addition to a family. But obviously, it's got to be someplace that has a lot of space. He needs some space to move. He would be a good dog for hiking. He'd be a good dog, a good outdoor dog, and a good family dog. So. You know, we would really love to see him get adopted, and don't be afraid of his age. It just means he's settled.
Well, yeah, I was going to say,
he's quite chill. He's quite nice, and he, you know, so he'd make a great addition. Both you and I would take him in a heartbeat, but neither of us have room. Plus, I have a dog that's kind of a little tough with other dogs because he's so spoiled rotten. But well, I got, speaking of older dogs, I got my dog. I adopted Marley from our shelter here in Frisco. He's 8 years ago, thinking he'd have a nice life for a few years. He's now 16 and he's just fine.
That's really impressive.
So I love the idea of people adopting, first of all, shelter dogs, because they make the best grateful pets ever. But also older dogs are really great. You know, a lot of people want puppies, and that's fine. We don't really have a problem getting rid of the puppies at the shelter, but unfortunately some of the older dogs hang around a little bit longer. So, but if you wanted to think about a dog that doesn't need he you know, other than exercise and some love, he's trained. He's
well, and I have a Siberian breed myself, and this is a Siberian mix here, Malamute Husky mix. I have, like I said, a Siberian dog myself. He's a Samoyed, and they are just the sweetest babies. Yeah. They are love bugs. They're mellow. They will just, you know, they don't take a ton of maintenance. They really love going on hikes. They love going on walks with you. They appreciate it, but it's, you know, if you can't do it every day, they'll be just fine, and they appreciate, you know, an occasional rawhide here and there. But he is such a beautiful baby. He's gorgeous.
He's great. We also need to thank. He's at our Frisco Summit County Animal Shelter, which is in Frisco at the County Commons. Their hours are 10 to 4 every day to come visit the animals, between 10 and 4 every day except Sunday, so you can just go over there. If you want to be a volunteer, you can't have a dog, but you want to spend time with dogs, you take a little class, you can become a volunteer, and you can just go there anytime and walk the dogs and play with the cats. There's a couple little kittens in there that are cute as can be right now. Hey, turn around.
Would that I had more space, because I would definitely be taking this fella home with me to be best friends with my dog, but I just don't have the space. So folks, if you have a yard and you can give sweet Corona the life that he deserves, he's laying down on the tile. He likes things cold. He'd probably be very happy laying out in the snow all day long.
We need to thank Big City Blues. She's been the sponsor of our Pet of the Week for about 4 years, maybe longer. She is the women's boutique on Main Street across from Starbucks. She's been here close to 20 years. She's got a huge selection of designer jeans, probably the biggest in the county, coats, sweaters, dresses, you name it, she's got it. So.
Super cute items.
And again, we want to thank the Doghouse for being kind enough to give a little fluff and buff to Corona, and Olga. Olga is the groomer over there that we would love to do a shout out for. And could you just read her number for me?
Yeah, so Olga is the groomer, and she is over at the Doghouse. They're great people over at the Doghouse. They really have, like, there's like dog whisperers over there.
Hotel, condo, yeah, grooming, training.
Right, and so Olga is the dog groomer, and her number is 303 378-8330. That's 303-378-8330 because it's hard to find a good groomer.
Doghouse and Olga, and please, somebody's got to take Corona home.
Please, it's killing me. This guy is just the cutest.
Yeah, he's great.
All right, well, thanks for bringing him in, Mary. Look at this sweet Siberian pup right here, folks. Take him home, and we'll be back with more Summit Sunrise right after this.